Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a beauty box, and this is from Asos, and this is the February 2021. So if you want to see my unboxing of this box, just keep on watching. Lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. We're unboxing this Asos beauty box. This is not a subscription box, but they came out every month with a beauty box. It costs £12 plus the shipping fee. But if you know that you will purchase this box every month and you purchase something in Asos, I always recommend for their premium delivery one, which is £9.95, £9.99, and will have a whole year next day delivery, so which is not bad. So yes, so this box, it costs £12 as I said, and I know this box is already sold out. I'm really sorry, lovelies, but if you follow me here or in my Instagram, I always alert you, lovelies, when you can purchase them. So make sure to follow me here and follow me on Instagram too. So let's open this box. It's a really gorgeous box, as you can see, and as always, lovelies, all the info will be in the description box below. We have leaflet, and it says go play, and here it says the perfect treat for you and your bestie. The latest Asos face plus body box includes 6 makeup and skincare goodies, all for just £12. And yeah, it says all the products inside. We have purple tissue paper, and then we have the products inside. We have 2, 4, 6 this month. Usually they are only 5 products, so it's 1 product more. So the first item we have in here, lovelies, and I'm really excited to try this one. This one, it was in one of the subscription box before, but I didn't purchase that one. I was really curious to try this one, so I'm glad that I received in here. And this is from Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. And lip oil at the moment, it's a must. And this one is only 5 ml. For the prices, lovelies, if I see it around online, I will just pop in here. But yeah, it's just a tiny lip oil one, but it will last me, because as you can see, there's quite few products inside. And here it says inside you will find loads of new makeup to switch up your vibe, a watermelon flavored Ciate London nourishing lip oil to plump your lips and add instant shine. We have Shiseido, and this is the Controlled Chaos mascara. So here we go, and this one, it has 4 ml, so this is just a deluxe sample size too. And for the applicator, lovelies, I will just pop in here because I won't open this one. I have 4 mascara open at the moment that I'm trying. I'll wait this one to open. As you know, mascara, you need to be careful after 6 months. Stop using them, because quite sensitive eyes like me, I always put the date when I open it, when I tried it, and after 6 months, even if it's not empty, I always throw them because I don't want to risk. The second item, and here it says the Shiseido Chaos Controlled Mini Mascara to create extra volume. So this is for me. I really need volume. I don't really need lengthening, because I'm fortunate to have a really long lashes, but I need volume on my lashes. So this is the second item. And then the next one we have, I have already in my collection, and it's from NARS Blush in the shade Orgasm. Let me see if I have in here. I have in here, lovelies, we have only just a mini size, a cute sample size in here, but I have this the deluxe sample size, I think, travel size one, whatever you call it. The one that we received, it's a small, just a tiny blush. Because I want to give to someone that blush, because as you can see, I have it already in here. So this is the shade. and let's watch it. This is nice. So you can see, Ravis, I don't know if you can even see it. It's like subtle blush, more on highlighter, I would say, because it's really sparkly one. But it's really nice on summer, this blush. I usually use this blush on summertime when I don't have any makeup on, and just bit of glow. I just pop in a bit of glow and color on my cheeks. I always pop this one. So yeah, you will receive this time here, and here it says the NARS Iconic Orgasm Mini Blush to add an instant pop of color. But I hope, lovelies, they can put another shade. Why needs to be orgasm? I think I have received like 2-3 NARS blush with the shade orgasm, so I really hope they put another shade. I really hope so. This is the third one, and then we have also brush in here, and this is from Spectrum 810 small fan. So here we go. This is a full size, lovely, and Spectrum brushes are really good. I have few of them, and I tried few of them, and they are really good. Here we go, the blush, and this one, it's really perfect for her highlighter. I rarely use this kind of applicator, but when I use this one, I use it as a highlighter, just to pop a bit of highlighter in your cheekbones, your nose, around your forehead, your everywhere. So yes, and here it says a swap of highlighter using the Spectrum 810 fan brush. And then we have, and this is, I think it's a full size if I'm not wrong, because I have already this product, and this is from Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. I usually use this one as a setting spray, and I really do love this one, lovelies. I have here in my table, and it's almost empty, so I'm really glad that I received one in here. And this one, it refresh, it moisturize my skin, and my makeup lasts throughout the day when I just splash in here. And when you feel like heavy makeup, or you feel like you have really dry skin, just pop this one, and your makeup will look like glowy. Really do love this one. And yeah, I'm really glad that I received one in here in the box. And here it says, don't forget to set it all in place with the final spritz of Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray. And then we have the last product here, and this is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for dry patch skin, safe for sensitive skin. I have already this product before. I tried before. Yes, it's a good product, but didn't do anything on my skin. I just use it, I empty it, but I will not repurchase it because it didn't do anything on my skin, to be honest. But this is just a deluxe sample size. And yeah, here it says, and when it's time to take it all off, use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream to give your skin some extra TLS. And there you have it. For a date night or a mate's night, you're all set for the 14th. So yes, so let's do a recap, lovelies. We have the, I think it's a full size, but I could be wrong, but this is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. We have the Ultra Repair Cream for intense hydration from First Aid Beauty. And then we have the mini size, just a mini size, cute mini size NARS in the shade Orgasm. It's a NARS blush. And then we have a tiny mini sample of Ciate Hydrating Lip Oil. And then we have travel size samples, deluxe sample size, Shiseido mascara, the extra volume one. And then we have the full size brush, fan brush from Spectrum. Yes, overall, I'm really happy that I've got this box. And for 12 pounds, I think this is really a good bargain in my opinion. And that's all, lovelies. And let me know, did you receive this box? Did you manage to get one? did you like all the products inside? Let me know in the comment below. And that's all, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing, subscription boxes, or beauty box. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.